Welcome children in your science class, and today we shall learn about different forms of water. So children, at home you must have seen your mother while boiling water, and when the water is boiling, what do you see on the top of vessels? It is the steam and it is very hot. So on heating water, it will change into vapors. And what happens if you cover the boiling water with a lid? See in the picture, you can see many tiny droplets of water on the underside of lid. And when water vapor touches this cool lid, it changes back to the water again. And what happens when we put the water inside the fridge? It will change into ice. And ice is nothing, it is just the cooled water. And when we take out the ice from the fridge, it starts melting and changes back into water. So these are the different forms of water, and water always exists in the nature in three different forms. It is the liquid form, solid form and gaseous form. Now let us learn about them one by one. First of all, the liquid form of water. The water that we see in water bodies, water that we drink, and water that we use is all in liquid forms. And the solid form of water. When the water is cooled down below the 0 degree of temperature, it freezes, and that form of water is known as the solid form of water. Ice, snowflakes are the solid forms of water. And one of the solid form of water is very interesting, and that is the snowflakes. Now let us see some beautiful shapes of the snowflake. If you look closely, every snowflakes have unique shapes, and mostly the snowflakes have 6 sides. There are mainly 3 types of snowflakes known as stars, dendrites and flakes. Now we will learn about the gaseous form of water. So water in the form of steam and vapor is the gaseous form of water. Now let us learn how one form of water changes into the another form. When we heat the water, some water changes into the gaseous state, that is called the vapors or steam. And this change of liquid state of water to the gaseous state is called evaporation. And so evaporation is the process by which the liquid state of water changes into its gaseous form. Now let us learn how the gaseous state of water again changes into the liquid state of water. So take a glass of hot water and cover it with lid and remove the lid after some time. Now observe this lid facing the hot water side. You will find the tiny droplets of water. And this was the steam inside the glass that converted back into the water droplets. So this is the process in which the steam or vapors of water changes to liquid form of water, and the process is called condensation. So condensation is the process by which water vapor again changes into its liquid form. So we can compare these two processes, like when the water changes into water vapor, it is called evaporation, and when the water vapor changes again into water, it is called condensation. So let us revise what we have learned today. There are three forms of water, that are solid, liquid and gas. And we can drink only the liquid water. Ice is a solid water, whereas water vapor is a gaseous form of water. And on heating, water will get changes into the water vapor. And on freezing, water will again changes into the ice. So this is all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.